Emily Atack joked that she misses one-night stands as she struggled to get to sleep on Wednesday night. The actress, 36, took to her Instagram story to share a video in bed as you could hear her snoring fiancé Alistair Garner in the background while her dog snoozed right on top of her pillow by her head. Clearly having a tough time getting her beauty sleep due to the disturbances, she harked back to her single days. She captioned her clip, "God, I miss one-night stands," as she encouraged her followers to turn their sound up so they could hear her partner's snoring. She and Alistair got engaged last July after welcoming their first child together, son Barney, in June 2024. The former Inbetweeners star recently bid farewell to her life in London and moved to an idyllic village just 15 minutes from her mum and childhood home. A source told The Sun, "She moved out of her family home 20 years ago but is now back living just 15 minutes away from her mum in a neighboring village. It's all because of the man she fell in love with, and how he's given her the confidence to trust herself. She's had the biggest success of her career to date since starring in Rivals and is now living the life she truly wants." The Daily Mail has contacted Emily's representatives for comment. It comes after Emily continued to show off her newly slimmed down figure after being accused of using weight loss jabs. The actress showcased her body transformation as she slipped into a chic black agent provocateur mini dress for a slew of sultry Instagram snaps recently. Emily was hit by claims she's using weight loss jabs after unveiling her new look over the Christmas period. A carousel of photos that Emily shared sparked an outrageous reaction from her followers. Her comments section was brimming with messages, but many fans rushed to defend the star after some suggested she had turned to weight loss aids. "Skinny jabs or jabbing?" wrote one follower as another asked, "On the jabs? Looks good though." Others questioned, "Are you on Mounjaro? And that jab is making its rounds." One fan pointed out in defense of Emily, "These comments, aren't we over talking about women's bodies? The thing is, women can't win. We are either too fat or too skinny. While I appreciate you admiring her a bit larger, her size or any woman's size is not for public comment. Let's just say she is stunning," agreed another. Another said, "It's amazing that she's posted a whole reel of lovely Xmas photos and 80% of the comments are about her body." Emily's celeb pal Katherine Ryan also had her say, simply writing "girl" with a string of fire emojis. Just months after the birth, Emily revealed she had been inundated with questions about her weight, but had refused to rush back to the gym. Speaking to Jamie Lawing on his Great Company podcast in November 2024, Emily shared, "There's something quite liberating about having a baby. Your body goes through so much and you genuinely look at your body as a completely different vessel. Being pregnant and being desexualized, looking at your body, you create a human inside you. Then you give birth to your child, which by the way is mental. You get home and the first thing people say to you is, 'When are you going to get back in the gym?'" Emily laughed. "Are you kidding? I've just created a human. I am exhausted. I've just tried to push a human out of me and had it ripped out of my stomach." The last thing I want to do is go to the gym, but the first thing you're expected to do is get back into shape.